guys, it's giveaway time. Yes, you heard that right. I am going to be having a giveaway here on my channel, and if you're watching this, you're one step closer to becoming the winner. If you guys have been following me here on my channel, you guys know that I've been working on this for quite some time now. I've always wanted to do a YouTube giveaway. Here I am, I'm finally doing it, and I'm really excited about it because I just want to give back to you guys. You guys have been so supportive, showing me so much love on my videos, commenting, and I just want to let you guys know that it means so much to me. So I want to gift you guys a ton of makeup and a ton of skincare products. I asked you guys on a poll on my community tab whether you guys wanted one winner or 3 winners. A lot of you guys said you guys wanted 3 winners, but I will be having 5 winners. Yes, you heard that, 5 winners. Since there's going to be 5 different winners, there's technically 5 different giveaways that I'll be having, but this giveaway is going to be called Michelle's Holiday Giveaway. Let's go ahead and get started on what is in my giveaway. The first giveaway is called All About That Pixie Skin. This giveaway consists of 11 Pixie skincare products, and those are makeup cleansing cloths, Pixie Rose Cream Cleanser, Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel, Rose Flash Balm, Pixie Caviar Essence, which is basically encapsulated moisture serum, Phenomenal Gel, which is a neutralizing moisturizer, the Pixie Rose Tonic, the Pixie Glow Tonic, the Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist, Rose Glow Mist, and the Ceramide Cream, which is an intensive moisturizer. The second giveaway that I'll be having is all Charlotte Tilbury makeup, and what's included is Film Star Bronze and Glow Face Sculpt and Highlight, Wonder Glow Primer, Cheek to Chic Blush, Matte Revolution Lipstick in Pillow Talk, the Feline Flick Black Eyeliner Pen. My third giveaway is called the Pixie Glowy Goddess, and you got it. It's because it's all about that glowy, dewy skin. What's included in this giveaway is the Pixie Layers Highlighting Palette, Face and Eye Palette, 3 Pixie Lip Icing Lip Glosses in Parfait, Bon Bon, and Sorbet, Pixie Heart Defensor Eyeshadow Palette, and a Pixie Rose Tonic. My fourth giveaway is called Pixie Night Out, and the reason why is because you can use any of these products for a night out and rock it. What's included in this giveaway is the Pixie Eye Reflection Shadow Palette, the Pixie Eye and Lip Kit, the Pixie Glow Cake, which is in Gilded Glow, the Pixie eyeshadow brushes in E1, E2, and E3, and a Pixie Glow Tonic. My last and final giveaway is called Pixie's Day Out, and what's included in this is all kinds of makeup that will be great for a day out, and that includes the Pixie Eye and Lip Kit, Endless Shade Stick in One and Done, On the Glow Moisture Stick, Pixie Glow Cake in Pink Champagne Glow, and the Pixie Glow Tonic. So that concludes what is in my giveaway, and if you like what you see and like what you heard, then you might want to enter. And if you're wondering how do I enter this giveaway, it's super simple. All you have to do is follow these simple steps. The first thing obviously is you have to be subscribed to my channel, and you have to have the notifications bell on. You also have to give this video a thumbs up and comment below which type of videos and content you want to see here on my channel. The third thing you have to do is just follow me on all my social media sites, and I will list them right here for you. So it's super easy for you guys, and you guys can get the spelling and everything correct. The fourth thing you have to do is you have to repost this image right here on your Instagram, tag 5 friends with active Instagram accounts, and hashtag Michelle's Holiday Giveaway. And the last thing you have to do is fill out the form in the description bar below. If you found me on Instagram, then it is this form that I'm trapped in. Just fill it out, submit it, and you're instantly entered into the giveaway, and the winner will be selected and informed via email. This giveaway is going to be live from now up until December 31st. I hope you guys enter. I hope you guys win. I wish you guys the best of luck. I'll definitely be having more giveaways here on my channel, so stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!